Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX. Welcome back. I'm going to take you through our coffee trades today because coffee is actually breaking out and doing some really good things as far as volatility and obviously opportunity. You can see there our standard volatility stochastic has risen up to 58.75. The ATR is also rising, so we're getting great range days. We had that breakout from 180 and it's pushed up to almost 210. And now we're getting a little bit of a potential sell-off here on coffee. So there's plenty of opportunity, and you're going to see that on the charts. We had a great little run up, and now we're getting some nice opportunities to the short side. It's really time to have a look at coffee as a market for opportunity. And this week, coffee produced the most profitable week we've had on our systems per single contract. It was around about $8,000 per single contract, so that's fantastic. So for those of the members who are trading multiple contracts, you've had a very, very good week, so well done. Let's have a look at the system that performed exceptionally well. Okay, traders, so I've bought up SN391. You can see the profit there, $8,000 for the week. It's been absolutely outstanding. So it's had an outstanding week, $8,000, and we're going to have a look at some of the trades here because it's been a really volatile week on coffee. It's basically had a lovely run up on the long side and then a lovely run up on the long side, and it's also picked up some nice short trades. So if we go back a couple of days here, let's just squeeze this in. You can see the trades they're setting up on the charts. We've had a short, so you can see it's taking a couple of trades a day at least. We've had some nice long winners there, a couple of short stop outs, but then things got interesting here on around about the 30th where we had that really good run up, two nice consecutive winning trades, then it ran into a third trade that took us right up to our final long trade there, one small stop out on the short side. Then we got that market turn at around about 207 and we picked up the short there, which was great. A little bit of a stop out there just because our stops are just that little bit too tight. So when we get an increase in volatility, well, like we have on coffee at the moment, we really need to just adjust our stops slightly just to allow for us to pick up those bigger trades. And what you'll find is that by just doing that, now remember at the moment this strategy is running around about an 18-point stop. So what I've done is this week because we've got this increase in volatility, I've just done a little bit of testing to see what a slightly larger stop would help, how it would help us. And what I found was that by increasing the stop from 18 points to 21, which I've done on this strategy here, you'll see that, and let me just bring that up, which I've done on this strategy here, you'll see the actual profit jumps up to around about $11,000. So with that small adjustment to our stops, we pick up around about almost $3,500, which is around about 42%. So it definitely pays to just keep your mind or keep that attention focused on volatility, because volatility is going to drive obviously your strategy. The increase in volatility may mean that you need to just tweak your stop slightly. Decrease in volatility may mean that you can potentially lower your stop. So there's just that little adjustment there that we're going to make this week, and that's going to be updated into the members area, so you'll be able to jump in and grab that new workspace in Dropbox and track that this week. And if you are trading, you may want to make that adjustment to your stops. So thank you for your time, guys. As I said, an outstanding effort on SN391. $8,000 worth of profit per single contract for the week. That is fantastic. So great job there. Cheers. Thanks for joining us today, traders. If you'd like to become part of our team in 2014, all you need to do is contact either myself or Luke at info@gmtfutures.com and we can get you started pretty much straight away. So if you've always wanted to become a professional trader and you want to start using a high performance automated system, then definitely send us an email, info@gmtfutures.com or shane@gmtfutures.com, or you can either give us a call at 617-336-00875 and we can get you started straight away. So any questions, feel free to send them through. Otherwise, have a fantastic day and I look forward to catching you on the next update. Cheers.